I just say all of them don't go way back that year. Easy bit. After when this song they read everywhere. Where you did?
Back in the days now, we still lead you today.
Boy, still that time, we still for small. And they use gala that year, they worry my full school.
They alright.
And that time, you must ugly to do gala. You must show them the gala.
You must key. I didn't say
you must, you guys go take the body, if not, you not go walk.
You know what?
You understand? You not go walk, you not go walk. Ladies and gentlemen, this is now one of the brosses that way, you know, that year, and then start the whole musical game, carry and go on that level for the country. And people then who they call veterans these days, because you know get how we must give honor to whom honor is due. Ladies and gentlemen, I beg, I don't introduce them before. One more time, help me make welcome inside the show, Daddy Fresh in the building. Huh? Hey! Welcome. All right, sit down, collect yourself. You know, all the bros. Now, wow. Now, you still fresh from that year to now.
We thank the Lord.
I say, not be joke. You say, sometimes you get out they say, name, they take work for person.
I tell you.
You understand? That year now, that the fresh, you see the fresh, they go.
What do we go do?
Now, wow. You're welcome on top of the late night show.
God will bless you, man.
Correct.
Wazo, not too much.
Now so. We said today, you must do this show today. Now, be the veterans. People that will start this whole level.
Start the whole journey.
Yes. Some people don't, along the line, some people don't even buy. You understand? They won't buy for the whole thing. But the likes of Una still there. And they say thank you to Una. We start this whole thing that year. If not, because I do if I'm not there now, all the baby do them, the ones where they worry now, they will not see road though. So first of all, I want to say thank you to Una for every. And then now, we'll start the full gist. Where that the fresh day since?
Well, that the fresh day around all the while.
Okay.
They do one thing or the other. But still, the two will sabi do music. Showbiz.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now showbiz now, or more on the showbiz level, not just music, but more showbiz.
We don't expand them the way it's supposed to be. Showbiz in general. Yes, sir.
On the business P now. Because some people just understand just the show, they don't understand the biz. He deep well. He deep.
Lord.
You know everything. You understand? So now the showbiz level,
Yes,
so say more on the production side, or say they give platform for younger ones then to come.
Generally.
Okay.
Generally. Production side, platform, still recording, everything follow. You know, just expansion anyway.
Okay. Because I know say some kind tracks then they on board now. We like on Sunday here for your show when you enter stage everybody say hey see bro so all my chalk you say chalk say but nice performance that day
Thanks,
but you get with something about say you see the Ajegule like this.
My spirit still that Jogule, and it's not all about your physical self.
Okay,
you know?
okay.
Me a day Okota, but my spirit still dey my AJ because now the land be that, now my house be that, now my home be that.
Bam. No, you don't get how one way or the other. You understand? Movements go day. You understand? But when your soul and spirit day, now from that side, you understand? You'll be like we now be the mainland things, grow for the mainland for streets and every. But now the island P. You understand? So, but your spirit still there on the side though. You understand? You go see, say when you enter area, you go greet me, say area. You have to still do the whole thing. So, but that year, Ajegule will now worry the full country.
Yes, so my brother, that's God designer. I know, easy that time. You know, easy, I remember when you showed that video so well, but I said, where I go dig this video come out from? Why?
That year.
Oh, Bob, we thank God all the same because it's not easy.
At all.
That's why they thank people like you when still appreciate and still know the history.
Yes.
Say, come on, see them here. I remember how we go trek that time. Trek from AJ.
Right.
From AJ, we go use koro, bust out for National Stadium.
Right.
From Stadium, we go say, from Stadium to Fame Magazine, no foul.
Hey.
Could reason that. At and shoot on Baba Bobby
Bobby
Brown.
Brown. Don't bend. Don't bend.
Cause he legging.
Hey.
Leg and reach here, we know where we dey go. You know, but at the end of the day, he pay.
He pay last.
He pay, he come pure. You know, and I don't go forget to thank people like Kenny there.
Yes.
Kenny D1, then try. Because they don't give me the very first opportunity, very first strong platform where help the matter.
Okay.
He helped the matter and he says that all my waka trek and everything to make sure say the voice of the youth then,
Yes.
the voice of the upcoming then
Yes.
must be heard.
Yes.
I succeeded. And when Kenny then give me that platform, I use and wear, I did walk. And as you walk, people come and say, okay, so something good can actually come out from my jebule.
Exactly.
You know, me when me say I go my school fees everything, I go to beg journalism to interview me. Give me just 3 lines for magazine or newspaper.
Shy.
Oh, yeah.
Shy.
Ajegule, what are you to do? Back, go answer you. You know, but when can they give me that platform?
Yes.
When I tear down the whole place for Nigerian Music Carnival National Stadium there in 1993.
Bam. Kai.
Story change.
Kai.
Like them, they come for me for Oluwa Street.
By themselves.
I go balance, yes. We are looking for that different. Yeah, I tell people, yeah, how far?
For the same jungle, una go come.
Not hard work. Determination, you understand? I was really, really determined because Oluwa don't give me the gift.
Yes.
So, area one come put aside for the gift, but we say, no, this area, like the mecca of Nigerian music. Anyhow it go be. Bible don't talk and say, let no man be afraid of any venture. That venture, I follow him.
Bam.
You know, take my head, I take him. Rah!
All the freshest. But are you there here, so?
Yes, sir.
Are you there here, so? With the thank God, because look, you probably want the reason all that time, you know, that time we used to be small, you get, we are still small that year,
very
you
small.
get, and
You say very small.
smally finish, but right now, when we think of how the journey don't take B, with the reason the whole thing from that year come now, you know, and how you feel now about the musical industry, I think based on say, when I tear the road open and match the door open, say make everybody come see how things come to the B.
I thank God, say the whole thing not go in vain. You know, if the likes of Two-Face see they appreciate me till tomorrow, say Baba, I thank you. You know, the likes of the band, he almost stopped my clothes the first day we saw. The guy in the dance say,
Chai,
Baba, you inspired me.
chai.
You know, it they give me joy. I consider and ask myself, say, how I take do all these things? All these people they appreciate me like this. You know, it's you.
Yes,
That's all my trekking really work for
All
me.
the hustle that
You know?
he paid.
He paid. I thank God. If I can feature Two-Face, guy, come, what we do collabo. I know now how Two-Face do it. For my back, he don't sort out everything.
Serious.
He don't pay OJB. He don't pay Jiggy Jack. He don't book studio. He be like party, don't be recording again. No?
Now carry go with that. Now you also carry go.
I said to which kind of embarrassment be this? He say nobody pay finish. He say I know what thing I do for people like him. You know, we need more. We need more of what I did. I need more from the youth now because it never end. Now train.
Yes.
They move.
Yes.
You know, so
yes.
I thank God for the appreciation from people like them and people like you.
Oscar.
I appreciate.
No, we appreciate you, part. You know, because all that year, when as small children will be that, and now this one with the year for it's like sponsor party where they go, where they do things. We they dance that time, so when they carry out for head. If you don't do gala, you never try. You understand? That year, you can be like for AJ, you can be like the fresh version of AJ.
I tell
you. They say that time they're shocky, they still day, marvelous budget, they call like later. Some other people call day. You get, but you can form the fresh side. Some people don't know say you go university. So you understand? Some people feel say, everybody now jungle.
You see the level be say what really happened there. Be say, you know, at times orientation matters too. You know, fine. You know, we say all of us because from Adegula almost act some kind of funny ways. But whichever way, AJ na AJ,
Bam.
and we now we all for one.
Bam.
You know, yes, the all for one. Different fever, and they know be so fella talk.
Yes.
Then for AJ na Nigeria, AJ na the world. Everybody, any kind of people you want, they
inside there.
It depends on who you want to relate with.
Yeah.
We get everything, How you bolo fancy, you know, the good, the bad, the ugly.
Exactly.
Though it's a universal phenomenon, it's everywhere. But AJ, number one.
Number one. Because from that place come out some of the most amazing talents then. We even
till tomorrow.
Yes. Likes of Casey there. Now see AJ things.
Casey, they live from our backyard
that year. They pop up and down now. Meanwhile, AJ things.
I thank God say for AJ.
Yes.
Everybody gallant and everybody get dream, vision, and we know how to package us a follow up.
Yeah.
Achievers. Ajegule.
Yes, achievers. Yes. OC.
And my blood.
Yes.
You understand?
Your guidance to the
so,
stand.
How many people I want call? Now Ajegule. And I'm happy say we don't spread worldwide. Ajegule don't spread worldwide. So we give thanks and praises. Say when it go happen, they will say, yeah. From Ajegule all over the world, we are on a day. Many head will come out.
The show.
London, America.
Yes.
You know? My God.
We appreciate it. So now, new song now, new music, newness, new freshness, new everything.
New identity,
new packaging and new every. One thing I still appreciate that say, man, you're not too different from how you be that time. What be the secret?
My brother.
Say na madam I be na waiting.
Madam try yo. Madam try.
Because you see look like
I look myself that time. I say which kind of enjoyment be this one? I don't want to turn over. Which kind of be this? Well, I still get many way to go, long way to go, you know. Madam, I go enter boutique now, XXX large. I say, who's that? Like this one there, embarrass me. So some people who are seeing go they call me Baba. Say, hey.
Based on the addition for size.
I had to call my wife. Say, come, I beg, we'll do something concerning this issue. You know, she was like, okay. I'll see what we can do because she said she'll be a nutritionist too.
Okay.
And then place me for compulsory diet.
Compulsory. If you don't like her, you go do
brother, I'm going to look shy. Look, my man, I take bone. Just bone. I go swallow and I mean know where they go. But at times I go back, go
once in a while. You don't backslide small, a small backsliding.
You know, but every day it works for me because one, I have to represent my name.
Okay.
That's
true.
You know. But all the same.
Anyhow,
new look, new everything.
Yes. So, as like, we get your video now, we'll go play, give people, maybe they see the whole new things and one drop. Then by the time we come back, we just round up gist on top of every. You understand? Ladies and gentlemen, that the fresh day in the building, and of course, you don't say, man, even fresh past me, young past ourselves. You understand? But any which way, when they come back, don't go anywhere. I see the late night show in the building. Daddy fresh.
Jesus Christ, bomber clads and all food. Yeah, me I no get for this year. Now the country where now they worry me. It is I get money to buy my I know go buy my so this why. We be rasta now, you be rasta for your pocket. Cannot make it come out for you. It's say now I get time for this year. What you do?
They kill every day, they loot every day. You think said the people know the sea. What about tomorrow? Think about tomorrow. These streets they hungry, you they do money laundering. Who you think say you they deceive? What about tomorrow? Think about tomorrow. It tear my heart apart when I wake up in the morning and I see the ghetto youth man sitting down doing nothing. But I ask why, in time they say my body nothing to do. The job where they, not big man to big man, the work where they, the body to body. The little you go see, not for man, no man. The want the ghetto man to sit down loose. Ghetto man say never, God forbid, and decided to take to the streets. The ghetto youth man had to struggle, to hustle, to survive the family. You where they kill every day, they loot every day. You think said the people know the sea. What about tomorrow? Yeah. Think about tomorrow. These streets they hungry, you they do money laundering. Who you think say you they deceive? What about tomorrow? Yeah. Think about tomorrow. Our oil money we know they see. Fuel price on what they increase daily. Teachers and lecturers they always go on strike just because they find out very hard to survive. Students and parents they holla just because of school fees palava. Talk about the doctors and the nurses, none of them they find uneasy. Talk about the housewives, none of them they find uneasy to take care of the family. Hey, yeah. The cost of living is very high. You where they kill every day, they loot every day. You think said the people know the sea. What about tomorrow? Yeah. Think about tomorrow. These streets they hungry, you they do money laundering. Who you think say you they deceive? What about tomorrow? Yeah. Think about tomorrow. I say get a man that believe in reality. I say no, not to vanity. Can you imagine what's happening in my country? Generator not the order of the day. And imagine in my neighboring country, electricity na hip hip hooray. When corruption goes stop, when embezzlement goes stop, and the price of commodities go drop, when everything go the normally, hey, in a big country, you where they kill every day, they loot every day. You think said the people know the sea. What about tomorrow? Yeah. Think about tomorrow. These streets they hungry, you they do money laundering. Who you think say you they deceive? What about tomorrow? Yeah. Think about tomorrow. Yeah. Everything is gonna be alright. Them say everything is gonna be alright. Them say everything is gonna be alright.
What about tomorrow?
Think about tomorrow, man.
Think out. You know, we need to think about tomorrow. Yes. Because now, these days, before we even enter these days talks, this particular, now the first time you launch the video with this.
Very first time
on this. Nah. So ladies and gentlemen, the late night show, as the night for our be and every, you know how they do a lot, see they happen. You understand? Quickly. Now, bros, message. Is there anything that we are noticing for this song now? I just calm down and hear the gist.
Yeah.
You understand? And message with inside plenty. From where that boy cuts bread, when the person hide the bread, cut the bread, carry the bread, move, go share, give me friend, national cake gist too. You understand?
Your bread there.
Some people they hide this thing, was supposed to get freely for the country. And some many faces that they inside this particular video.
You know they circulate, money know they circulate.
You know they circulate. Some people they shocking them for corner.
Say Baba, do something, help us.
We just hope. Say that one will happen. You understand? But bros, what do you feel about message for songs these days and from that year? When are they doing
Thank
that
you
year?
very much for this question. You see, then fine, some small record labels they really support music, and besides. We get a screening body for the Nigerian music industry, you know. But these days, I don't know what they really happen. Maybe because all man to himself. Everybody in a record label, you understand? So Alaba be the #1 record label we'll get now. And they self won't make money. So the few say right now, it's all about dancing, exercise. We could dance away our situation, dance away our pain and whatever.
Meanwhile, the thing they do.
Then they fail to understand, say, messages matters. Then, now message we they take this sell.
Yes.
Because people want to hear you sell. People want to hear your message. It does not stop you from good production, good sound. Who want to dance, but dance, but still they hear your message.
Yes.
Like we're saying, like good. The likes, I have very few of them in the try. But I appreciate all our producers.
Producers them, when they do work.
I appreciate all our producers And I won't still take it away from our now artists, then they try. Because where we stop, then they don't take us cross the level. Say, Baba, on stop. No mean say the industry don't collapse. So we must try our best, at least take and go this other level.
Yes. Especially the past touch give the next person now.
I appreciate them very, very well. Nigerian music now they compete with all over the world, and we still stand our ground. Where till Apple?
Nothing.
Two-Face.
Yes, so.
The band.
Yes, so.
Ice Prince.
Yes, so. P Square them. Everybody.
My dear brother. Where my Achievers brother? Where your name?
Solid Star.
Yes.
The Whiskey
all these guys then solid.
Yeah.
Whiskey, the video.
Yeah.
Are they happy when they watch BET? Are they see them?
Yes.
Are they watch world music? Are they see them?
Yes. They don't carry, at least they don't carry the touch go the next level. They don't
I don't come, make I go help us carry the Grammy.
all right. Finally now, on the final pin now, we need to expect from that the fresh now. At least, no, and we don't have to be like this now. We don't already create ground, TT. So don't say they form competing with anybody. You know, not be fathers. You understand? So, but now what do they expect from that the fresh now?
Yeah, we expect already right now that the fresh. I don't come back fresher, better, and I mean in every aspect, right? And what you will expect from me right now is how many years where are they on break? Yes. You know, the support for background, they help some of the upcoming artists, they do this, do that for them. Many of them still appreciated me. I thank God. But right now, I've come to set a standard. For this our industry again. So see, we could do like this, we could because our boys, one of them supposed not even get the Grammy or even get nominated big time, right? But I feel say one or two things we need to join the whole thing. So I've come to set a standard for us to follow. Make it be say Grammy could be our own thing. They go to carry and they come give us even for us. Because we possess the quality. We get them. The band should. Two-Face should, Whiskey should, all of them, Ice Prince, all of them should, you know, Solid Star should. Yes. Make I come follow them for back, where could they go?
So now, to come add the missing thing now.
Yes, so the missing ingredient.
Where they miss for the whole thing.
Whether not choreo, whether not baggy,
any which way.
You know, gospel living, Samuel Poser, I mean, we get them, some song. I mean, I won't mention.
There are plenty.
Nigeria is blessed.
We get them plenty. So that means before we still look forward to any album soon.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, I'm
so album going to drop very, very soon.
I'm dropping before August. But I still get a new single right now. I want to start to promote. Yeah. Why is it all about Wazobia?
Yeah, now we there. Now we be the full ground. Now we.
For your show.
Yes.
Now we are first performance video.
Okay.
And now Wazobia again. Your show. We go play again.
That the way. They go know. Any which way.
One more.
We know say yes. You no go follow our hand. You know go follow her because you get everything the way and always make artists become what he's supposed to be. Yes, because you don't already prove with your own life and with your own particular kind of genre of music. And we see they wish you the best of the best of the best. That is fresh. And they gonna see your face now here. Because when you say yes, people gonna look say the face he did there. The face he did. That's it.
Now Baba God.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. You follow us John on top of the show today.
I feel honored and blessed.
Yes, sir. So now we're going to honor you because you used that. Not you now. Bros,
Thank you so very much.
Yes, boss. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, now for you, we'll call them good night for here, and then we say thank you to everybody who follows John on top of the show today. Of course, now we don't say we don't enjoy every plot from Coco of the day to the performance where happened, then to Bros we enter the studio, come follow us relate on top of the whole thing. So for here, we'll say good night to everybody. Follow us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach for there, make you follow us, okay? And Bros, how do you follow you on top social media?
Okay, I did for at Daddy Fresh Ninja 9 and JE. Okay. For my Twitter. Okay. And then Daddy Fresh Onyebuchi Michael for Facebook. Okay. And then for my Instagram, Asiwaju Daddy Fresh. Yes, sir.
All right. So, brother, mention everything. And as the thing can be, we can't be the same Michael. Whoa. You know, great men that they bear that name, not be anything. Easy, what's your English name? Israel. Now, Michael, they are here. They do anything. Now, we not Mickey. All right. So, good night to everybody. God bless all of you.